Alright, so this is my last shots with my Hi-Point 995 TS. I actually sold it right after this video. It was supposed to be a review video. I was trying to get a review video in of it real quick before I sold it, but it just didn't work out due to schedules and whatnot. So I only had time to shoot it here real quick one last time, so that's what we got. You can see the Red Ball 20 round mag there. I got a bunch of accessories that the Longshot Manufacturing sent me. Their upper rail there, the lower rail on the other side, and the other slide you could see their extended mag release and the extended charging handle, and also the barrel shroud right there. But like I said, I was trying to do a review video, but I just didn't have time, so here's just the last few shots with it. That's a what is that, Bushnell TRS 25 red dot. Pretty good with this thing with the red dot on, and then if you look closely there, you can see the 45-degree offset iron sights, which I switched to here in a sec. I was missing some of my shots because they were shooting like 5 inches off to the right and they needed adjusted. But yeah, anyways, I've had a lot of fun with this gun. I had a few issues with the factory mags when I first got it, where I'd have like nose dives, so it wouldn't want to feed properly, but now they work flawlessly. So I'm guessing the gun just needed broken in. I'm not quite sure, but after I got that Red Ball and put a couple hundred rounds through it, I went back to factory mags and they've worked flawless ever since. So that's the only real issue I've ever had with it. The charging handle comes loose a lot, and you'll have to tighten that up, or put some thread lock on it. And well, the trigger's not very good, but it's not terrible. It's got a lot of take up on it and play before it finally breaks, but it's smooth the entire time. A little bit heavy, but not too bad. The thing's like stupid accurate. It's just as accurate as any other $500 or $600 9mm carbine. Actually, I almost forgot, I have videos of this thing shooting 200 and 300 yards accurately, so you should definitely check that out too on my channel. All of that was done last year. And then also I have individual videos for each one of those mods that Longshot Manufacturing sent me as well. And the charging handle, it goes back almost all the way and it stops, so you think you have it back all the way. That's just by design. There's actually a few more millimeters you got to pull it, so that's something to look out for too, but it's just by design. It's not an issue with the gun. A lot of times I hand it to somebody, they don't get the round to feed because they don't pull the slide back all the way, so you got to make sure you do that. But yeah, I mean, for the price you can't really beat the thing. You know, it's cheap plastics and whatnot, but it performs pretty well, and it's highly accurate for what it is. I really don't have any complaints, but I just wanted to move my money around a little bit and put it elsewhere. I have some other things I'm wanting to get. I may end up replacing this with the 10mm version they got. So anyways, this is goodbye to the 995. Have something else to play with here soon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Catch you on the next one.